Here's a catch-22 for self-employed working one-to-one. With only so many hours in a day, there's only so much you can do with one pair of hands. So if you want more money, you lose time and the control that you really want in work and life, which counters the whole point of becoming self-employed in the first place. What if you could reach more customers yet stop trading your time, so you can escape the trap of working longer, harder days, giving you more time to enjoy life rather than squeezing the fun stuff in around work? Multiplying yourself isn't an option, so I'm going to show you how you can multiply your work. The secret is an online selling system, so you can reach unlimited customers in any one day and automate much of your business so it's working 24/7 even when you're doing some of that fun stuff. Our free workshop series, which you can access on the link below, will introduce you to ways you can grow your cash flow online so you can gain the time, money and control you really want. Okay, so an online business isn't for everyone. Maybe you like trading your time, or maybe it just doesn't appeal, which is fine. But if a semi-automated business reaching more customers does sound appealing, then by all means check out the workshop. You'll learn how to increase your customers and income by reaching anyone, anywhere, anytime, without working longer, harder days. You'll also find out about successful online business models, including affiliate marketing, where you get paid high-ticket commissions for selling other people's products and services, if, like me, you're ready to purely generate money online. And like my friends Steve and Anita, previously restaurant owners, are now loving living life on their own terms. In May 2020 had their first $20,000 month from their online business, which they got started without any products or services of their own. You'll also learn about how to sell products online, like Stephen Bones, who went from bankruptcy to online income security, selling his own products on Amazon without needing to stock, store or ship, because all the hard, time-consuming work can be done for you. If any of this interests you, then click the link somewhere around the video so you can access the same free workshop series that helped my friends and myself get started. You too can start and automate online income so you can reach more customers and stop trading your time. This is an opportunity for you to leverage the internet to improve your work-life balance by gaining time, money and control in work and life. What stops a lot of people from taking a step in this new direction is an idea in their own minds that they don't have the knowledge or skills or time. That was me. A holistic therapist working with people, not computers. A really busy mum with 3 children, 2 stepchildren, all under the age of 10. Nappy changes, endless washing, relentless running around in circles after the kids like a headless chicken. I used to think there was no way I could build an online business around my busy life. But I felt trapped because when I was self-employed, I was in the catch-22, where there were only so many customers I could reach in a day with one pair of hands, limiting my earnings and my time. And I thought to earn more, I had to work more. I found myself missing out on time with the kids because of working to client schedules or worrying about how to make more money. To me, no job is worth just observing my kids' lives from afar. I wanted in on the action. I want to be involved in the good times they have. I don't know about you, but I want my children to grow up and have lovely memories of their childhood with me in it. Then I discovered the free workshop series and found a way to escape the catch-22. I found a way to gain time so I could have more fun with the kids by reaching more customers in a day and automating my workload. I still had doubts. Could I do it? Little old me. I'm too busy, I thought. I don't know where to start or what to do. I'm not a techie. But I knew deep down if I wanted to change my life and give my children those memories, I needed to stop telling myself I wouldn't have the time and didn't have the skills, and start asking myself, how can I make the time and learn the skills? So I watched the free workshops, got educated by online business mentors, and got support from a community of other online entrepreneurs. I found the technologies easy to use, mainly drag and drop, point and click, copy and paste. I'll admit, at first my fiance Jude thought I'd signed up to a scam, but we went to a live event and Jude saw firsthand that online education I was getting was impacting real people and changing real lives, like Steve and Anita and Stephen Bones. So I'm grateful that he humoured me and supported my new venture, because here I am now, able to share with you the free workshops. So if, like me, you're ready and determined to escape the catch-22, click the link below, gain access now. See you soon.